Good afternoon. This is just a quick update on how to access your OneDrive account through Washington State University. From your browser, navigate to WSU Vancouver. Once you are there, you should be able to highlight Students, go down and select Email and Office 365. Once you are signed in using your WSU login and password, you will then have access to the Office 365 suite, which includes your Outlook Mail account and also OneDrive. Click on the OneDrive icon, and that will open up a series of folders. The first folder that I have in my account is EdAd 590, Principal Intern 2019-2020. When you click on that folder, it will open up and show you all the files that are currently located within that folder. I believe everyone has access, and if you're unable to access this folder, please send me an email or give me a call, and I'll double check your access privileges. Thank you and have a great afternoon.